Hi, I'm Evan Marie Carr, co-founder of DarkViolet.ai and Lumi Forge. So you've decided you want to try your hand at being a Lumi Forge creator. We think that's super. We are so happy to have you. If you've not already seen our previous videos that cover the overall Lumi Forge concept and the Creator Studio walkthrough, please make sure to check those out. In this video, we will cover our content editor in depth and all the possibilities it offers you as a creator. This is how you can compose and style your content, such as your articles, books, newsletters, and so much more here on Lumi Forge. There are 3 different views available in the Lumi Forge Creator Studio content editor. You can view the editable content, where you can see the content in its display styling, but also are able to edit it in place right there. There's also the display view, where you can see the exact read-only version of your content as it will be seen by your explorers. And you can view either of those alongside the HTML editor. We have tried to design this creator experience so that you never really need to open the HTML editor, but just know that if you want to get into the tiniest details of the HTML, you can. And we also give you this thorough guide to working with your content in HTML through the HTML editor. But let's focus on editing in the preview mode, which is where you will most likely spend most of your time when you are working in the content editor. Once you have uploaded or input your content into the Lumi Forge Creator Studio, you can make changes to any aspect of that content. For example, if you wanted to edit an image included in your content, just click on the edit icon next to the image, and everything you need is right there. You can replace the image with one from Unsplash, for example. Just be sure that the caption under the image still includes reference to the photographer and the Unsplash sources. That's something that we've agreed to with Unsplash. You can also use any of the images that you have either uploaded to your assets or generated and saved in your assets. And the image will be saved directly in place. This is also where you will edit any of the alt text or captions for your images. You can do the same with YouTube videos. So if you have a video that goes along with your content from your own channel or from another applicable source, you can insert that here with the YouTube insert menu and edit the surrounding caption and other details as well, just like you do with images. You can also insert a vast array of HTML and code snippets into your content if you feel like there's something missing, or if you want to change your content in any way. To look at these, let's start with a clean slate. To access the code snippets, just right-click on the content and the snippet menu will appear. You could, for example, start with a full HTML template and type your thoughts and contents directly into that template. This is a great way to outline your ideas and then go back and expand on your thoughts to flesh out your content. You can also use our smaller code snippets as building blocks for your content. Again, you can use this as a way to outline your ideas, one block of content at a time, or insert these snippets into your existing content to rearrange sections and to make sure it's represented to your explorers exactly the way you want. You can build all sorts of elements, such as various styled section containers for your words, all sorts of images and videos. You can add headings and paragraph sections and quotes. Keep in mind, our system does a pretty good job of doing this for you when you first generate your content in its layout style from your raw content. So you might only rarely find yourself here editing in the Lumi Forge content editor. Just know that if you want to edit the tiniest details of your content, it's all yours to do, right here in the Lumi Forge content editor. Well, it's time to create, so jump into the Creator Studio and try it out for yourself. And remember, we are always happy to hear from you, to get suggestions, to answer questions, and to brainstorm together with you on how we can make Lumi Forge the absolute best platform for creators to share and for explorers to learn from you. So never hesitate to reach out to us. Let's ignite curiosity together.